Find the term independent of x in the expansion of given is 2 by x minus 3x power 6. For any binomial theorem sum, we should write the general term first. Formula for general term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. And what is n here? The power will be n. And what you take for x? Inside the bracket, the x term should be considered for x. Here both of them has got x in it, so you can select any one of them to be x. I select this to be x. The negative sign many skip, many forget, but you should not forget. The negative sign plays a part. Now, the left out term in the bracket should be taken for y. Now replace in the general term. So this will become 6cr in place of x minus 3x. In place of y, 2 by x. N is 6 and the letter r will remain like that only. Next, simplify this to the maximum possible extent. And how do we simplify? See, 6cr will remain like that. Here apply the power to each. That will be minus 3 power r x power r. Same here, apply the power to numerator and denominator. So that will be 2 power 6 minus r by x power 6 minus r. Now, write x terms at the last now. Okay, x terms at last you write. What I mean is, this 2 power I write before. So it's minus 3 power r, 2 power 6 minus r and x power r at last. X power r and in the denominator x power 6 minus r. Okay, now how do we simplify further? Is I simplify this thing by making use of the formula a power m by a power n. Formula is a power m minus n. Bases are same, division you will subtract the powers. Okay, same here. The bases are same. If I subtract the powers, what do I get? R minus 6 minus r. Multiply with negative sign. So minus 6 plus r. These two are like terms. So r plus r 2r minus 6. So now this will change to 6cr minus 3 power r 2 power 6 minus r x power 2r minus 6. Okay, now the general term cannot be simplified further, so we stop. Now what is he asking for? Term independent of x. Term independent of x means that term doesn't have x in it. And how can I make sure that term does not have x in it? Only one way. See, if there is a power of x is 0, then it will result in 1. Here no x present. So independent of x means x should not present. That could only happen if power on x is 0. Clear? Independent of x could only happen if power on x is 0. Now, here x power 0 and here x power 2r minus 6. Equate both the powers of x to get the values of r. Equate powers of x to get the value of r. So 0 equal to 2r minus 6. Add 6 now. So this cancel out here 2r. Divide by 2 on both sides. So 3 equal to r. Replace r equal to 3 in this. So what will it result in? 6c3 into minus 3 power 3 into 2 power 6 minus 3 is 3 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1. Whether I write or not, it doesn't make any difference, so I am not writing it. Now, put this entire thing at once in calculator. The answer you should get is minus 4320 is the term independent of x in the expansion. Okay.